Hi folks, this is Slava from DTF UK. If you have an order to decorate either football, hockey, basketball, whatever team with customized name and numbers, you are in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show how to build a DTF transfers gang sheet with name and numbers. Firstly, you need to open the DTF.uk website. Then navigate from the top navigational menu to the Order DTF Transfers. Below you will find the name and number DTF transfer gang sheet page. You will be landed to this page with all detailed description and click Build a DTF gang sheet with name and numbers. On the left sidebar, the navigational menu where you can manage your names and manage your numbers. In the middle section, you will see your artboard, which is equivalent by default 1 meter DTF gang sheet. Let's imagine you have a sport team of 10 people with the names on the back and numbers. We need to add names. You can select a few sizes, small, medium, large. You can select multiple fonts that you would like to use. You might be able to define what color should be used based on the type of garments or color of the garments that you're gonna be using. Let's copy paste the name. I have added all 10 names. Now I need to add all 10 numbers. I have an option for defining the size. It's gonna be medium, as well as defining the font, as well as defining the color. What numbers we need. I filled 10 names and 10 numbers. Then I need to click on confirm. Alright, so I have all the numbers and names placed on the gang sheet. However, I see the difference in the sizes. Because of the name lengths, nevertheless we can easily fix it. To make it consistent, let's make each name 7 centimeters. I click on Auto Build feature and then click on Apply. The system will regenerate the gang sheet, will allocate all the artworks according to their dimensions. Now you are ready to place your order. You need to click on Save and Add to Cart. Accept the terms, add to cart and exit. You will be landed to the basket where you need to proceed to your checkout, complete your payment and delivery details, and that's it.